In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete section in Unbounce landing page. By the end, you'll know the quickest way to remove an entire section cleanly and make sure your live page reflects the change. First, open your landing page in the Classic Builder. Unbounce has different editing modes, so double-check that you're in Classic Builder before you start. Once the page loads, navigate to the section you want to remove. A section is the larger container that holds elements like text, images, or buttons. The key here is to select the section itself, not just an item inside it. To do that, click on the background or an empty area within that section. Avoid clicking directly on a text box, image, or button. When you've got the section selected correctly, you'll typically see a bounding box around the entire area, and the editor will indicate that a section is selected. If you hit delete and only a small element disappears, that means you selected an individual element, not the section. So just undo and try clicking the empty space again. With the section properly selected, press the delete key on your keyboard. That's the fastest, officially supported way to remove a section in the Classic Builder. The Builder recognizes that you're targeting the whole section and removes it, along with all the elements contained inside. If you prefer a more structured view, or the page is dense with overlapping elements, you can use the Contents panel in the lower left corner. This panel lists the elements and sections on your page in a tidy hierarchy, making it easier to find the exact section you want. Click the section in the Contents panel to highlight it on the canvas, confirm it's the right one, and then press Delete on your keyboard to remove it. This approach helps avoid accidentally selecting individual elements when layouts are tight. After deleting the section, take a moment to scan your page for spacing and alignment. Sometimes removing a large block can shift the layout slightly, and it's a good idea to tidy up margins or reposition nearby elements so everything still looks intentional. When you're satisfied, don't forget to save your changes. Saving updates the draft in the Builder, but it doesn't affect the live version yet. To make the deletion visible to your visitors, republish the page. Republishing is essential. Without it, the change will stay in the editor only, and your audience won't see it. That's all there is to it. Open in Classic Builder, select the section by clicking its background, press Delete, or use the Contents panel, then save and republish to go live.